Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney Lynn, and today's video I am starting to decorate for fall, and I'm so excited because fall is like one of my favorite seasons to decorate for, and just all around. I love the fall season, fall time. So whether you are decorating as well or whether you just came looking for cleaning motivation, go ahead and grab your coffee. I've already almost drank all of mine, so I'll probably be going for round 2 here pretty soon. But grab your coffee and let's get started together.
Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one.
So after I got my bed made, there was just a few things that I wanted to be sure and get done before I brought in all of the decorations. So I wanted to get all of the spider webs down, and I couldn't really see any, but I just go through every corner and through all of the little light fixtures up in the ceiling and make sure that all of the spider webs are knocked down. And then I really wanted to clean the ceiling fan. It wasn't actually very bad, but I wanted to get it done today. And I'm using a pillowcase here to clean the ceiling fan. I know I've showed this before, but if you are new, the pillowcase just catches all of the dust. As you pull it off of the blade, it catches right into the bag and it doesn't go all over the bed.
Chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last.
The next thing I wanted to do was to dust these blinds. They were pretty dusty, so I'm just taking a Swiffer and I'm just going to be, making sure they're all the way dusted. And also I have a microfiber cloth for the places that are a little bit harder to get with the Swiffer duster.
Leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
For those of you who have never been to my channel before, I just want to start off by saying thank you for stopping by today. However you found my channel, I'm so glad that you did. And my name is Courtney Lynn, and I just love to make videos about homemaking, cleaning. I love to organize, and I love to do home decor. It's one of my favorite things, decorating for holidays or just decorating in general. I love doing it. So I have a lot of fun on this channel, and I hope that if you have enjoyed this video so far that you would please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and then also there's a little bell right beside it. If you click that bell, it will notify you every time that I post a new video, which is once a week, and it will just keep you updated on all things like that. Remember that subscribing to my YouTube channel is always free, and so it's of no cost to you, but it does help me quite a bit. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button And if you want to share this video with any of your friends or family, please do so. It always helps me out in the end. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today, and let's get back to the video.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm using the very last little bit of my spray weight glass cleaner, but I'm gonna wipe down this mirror in here, and then I'm gonna start by taking everything off of the dresser and kind of giving myself a clean slate to work with when I bring in the fall decor. So just taking it all off and dusting it as I go. So like I've said before in my room videos, whenever I've been filming in my bedroom, since we had changed everything to gray tones in here, I had really been missing the pink blush tones. So I had a few things that I knew that I wanted to incorporate into this fall decor video, but the main thing was I wanted to bring more blush here. So I had these pink flowers left over from, I can't remember exactly what, it may have been fall last year. So I went ahead and put those in the vase with some other greenery, and then I bought a couple other blush things, and I knew I had some other blush things from fall last year that I'm going to be adding, so I'm excited about that. We bought this little, it's like a mirrored cake stand, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, and it's so cute. It was in the clearance section. It was probably under like the wedding section of Hobby Lobby. But we went ahead and bought it because it was on clearance, and as soon as we bought it, we figured that it would look really, really cute in my room for any type of decor, but specifically fall decor. And then when it's not fall, I'm sure that I can find a use for it somewhere in here or somewhere else in the house. A different cake stand. This is just a plain white cake stand to elevate this pink pumpkin a little bit because I like different heights on the dresser. And I had forgotten that I bought a blush candle at HomeGoods, and this little candle says "Give Thanks," and it's apple cider scent. It smells really, really good, and I love the little message on the front. The next thing to do in my room was this chair, and I kind of gave the blanket a little bit of a shake to kind of fluff it up a little bit. And then I'm taking a lint roller, and I'm going to do the lint roller all over the chair to pick up any dust or any hair or anything on this chair. And then I'm going to place the blanket back on, and then I got a brand new pumpkin pillow at HomeGoods, and I'm going to be adding that to this corner. I'm spraying some Febreze cranberry scent on this chair and the pillow and blanket to just give it a little bit of a fresher scent. Now to move on to my nightstand. Now this area I like to keep pretty simple because it seems like it gets cluttered easily. I just bring stuff in and I'll set it on my nightstand. By the end of the night I'll have books on it, my Bible, my phone, things like that. So I like to keep this area pretty simple. So I'm just adding some pumpkins and then the little sparkly sea I already had. So this is the garland that I made last year. For fall, I took a garland piece from the wedding section of Hobby Lobby because it was on sale, and they're not really usually that cheap. But I got this on a good sale, and then I added some white pumpkins with some wire. I just hooked them right into the garland, and it looks really, really cute. Simple, but very cute. Now this area over here on the other side of my bedroom, this is the chest of drawers, and I like this area to have some cute and more fun decor over here. So I'm just taking everything off, dusting it, and then I'll be placing some more decor back on. I'm taking this little lantern that we had around our house, and I'm going to be filling it with those little pink pumpkins that I have over there on the side. So this will be the little bit of blush that I'm adding to this side of the room. The pillows and stuff had kind of fallen, and the comforter got messed up because I got on the bed and cleaned the fan, and I dusted the blinds and put up the garland and stuff. So I'm just going to refluff everything, make it look a little bit better. And then I'm going to take a lint roller, and the reason that I'm doing this is because I laid some stuff on the bed today while dusting, and I was afraid that maybe dust got on the bed, and I know lots of sparkles did from some of the different sparkly decor. So this lint roller is picking up the dust and any little sparkles. And then I'm just going to be spraying some Febreze spray on the bed and the pillows. Before I finish this fall clean and decorate, I wanted to vacuum the floors. Of course, they just needed to be done because it had been a few days, but also because, you know, if you're dusting furniture, there's dust falling on the floor, and bringing out the new decor, there was always something falling on the ground. So I'm just going to be getting that with my Dyson. And here is the final look through at my bedroom for the Fall Clean and Decorate 2021. So much fun decorating my bedroom for fall, and I had a lot of fun going shopping and picked up a few things. And I think when I go back to town, I will be on the lookout for more things to pick up, probably some more blush colored things. But make sure that you guys are subscribed, because I will be posting the rest of my home in the Fall 2021 Clean and Decorate series in these next coming weeks. So be sure you guys are subscribed to that. I cannot wait to share all of that with you. This is a ton of fun to decorate for. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video today and let me know. I would love to connect with you here on YouTube. And also you can follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram name is @Courtney's_lens, so make sure you follow me there as well, and that will keep you updated on these videos too. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and happy fall decorating. See you guys next time.